Animal-based proteins. Animal-based protein sources include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Animal-based proteins have been associated with the increased risk of a range of chronic lifestyle diseases. Animal-based protein has been associated with type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and some cancers. Animal-based protein-rich foods have no fiber and have been shown to deplete gut health. Animal-based proteins have been found to increase kidney load. Animal-based protein has been associated with obesity. Animal foods have also been associated with increased inflammation in the body. Animal-based are low in antioxidants and are not as rich in vitamins and minerals as plant foods are. Processed meats have been classified as Group 1 carcinogens. Studies have shown that red meat consumption leads to an increased risk of early death. Animal proteins contain saturated fat and higher levels of cholesterol. Subscribe to our channel for health tips.